What's going on, Mixonites? Today I'm going to wear those buns out like it's going out of style. I'm Nathen, Mixon, your fitness coach, and today we are going to burn some fat. And speaking of today, make sure you follow me on Instagram if you're trying to get some daily inspiration or daily motivational posts too as well. I'm trying to get the 10K Mixonites, so make sure you help me out there. Ladies and gents, if you don't do anything today, I want you to make sure that you do you. And when I say do you, I'm talking about exercise. If your mind was in the gutter, if it wasn't, my mind was probably there. Back to action. A full body workout is going to keep your sweat sesh very, very exciting. You're constantly shifting your body into new different exercises, giving those old exercises a chance to rest and recruit in time for another one to commence. It's ideal for fat loss because it's going to include the three main muscle groups: chest, back, and legs. Now, with that being said, it's going to turn your body into a full fat burning machine. We are going to go through 8 different exercises, and each of those exercises is going to last 30 seconds. So give me your best performance, quality over quantity, okay? So if you can't do it, take a break, jump right back into it. You have a total of 30 seconds to do as many reps as you can, but make sure they count. After that muscle burn, you're going to rest 20 seconds, give you plenty of time to recuperate for the next exercise. You are expected to do 4 rounds, so in the comment section, let me know down below how fast you got it done. Speaking of comments, here's a positive comment from our last video. Make sure you keep the positive vibes here on my channel and I'll share them. Alright, it is time to get started. Make sure you grab a mat, grab some water, and let's get ready to do this full body exercise, starting off with the jump and jacks. Alright, get a full range of motion, breathe in through your chest and out through your... That made no sense. Anyway, you know how to breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth, and let's get started right now. Engage the core the whole entire time. You have around 21 seconds left. You're halfway there. Get as many reps as you can. If you can, get to 20. Five seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and take that break. We're going to do a pop squat next. The pop squat is going to be great for your quadriceps. It's also going to be great for your glutes. Your cardiovascular is going to be good for your chest, all right? Make sure you reach over to that corner and grab that toe if you can. We're getting ready to start in about 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Don't forget to engage the core the whole entire time. Halfway there. Three, 2, 1. Go ahead and take a break, and we're going to do a static lunge next. The static lunge is going to be a superset to that pop squat, so your legs should be on fire. We're going to hold a low squat position, keeping our feet about shoulder width apart. You're going to come down into a lunge position, making a 90-degree angle in both legs. All right, keep your arms up, just keep your balance. Let's go. Challenge yourself and stay as low as possible. Keep the knees behind the biggest toe. Halfway there. Keep your chest high. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and break. We're going to go into a bridge and leg lift. We're going to alternate the legs here with this one. All right, keep your hips up as high as possible. Every time you bring that knee as close to your chest as possible. This is going to work your hamstring, but also going to work your glutes too as well. Engage the core, and we'll knock that one out too as well. Let's go. All right, you're looking great. Keep your shoulder blades off the ground and your hips off the ground. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Take a break. We're gonna do the T push-ups next. We're gonna alternate from side to side. This is gonna work not only the chest, but also the back too as well, along with those shoulders, quads, and also the core. All right, if you can't do it, and if you can't do it on your toes, make sure you drop down to your knees and do the same concept, all right? Head up, back straight, engage the core, let's go. Keep your eyes on your hand to help you maintain your balance. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and take that break. We're gonna do a plank saw next. The plank saw, I love this exercise because it really engages the core and also the quads too as well, along with the shoulders, okay? So if you really want to get those shoulders nice and tight, want to get that core nice and flat, this is going to be the way to do it. You're going to balance right on your toes, just move yourself back and forth like you're trying to saw the ground. Let's go. $20 seconds left. Make sure you squeeze in those glutes. You're at the halfway point. Suck that belly button in. If you have problems doing the saw, just hold that plank position. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. We're doing the crab toe touch next, okay? You're gonna get into that crab position. Keep your butt off the ground. You're gonna bring one leg to the opposite end foot or opposite end hand and try to touch that toe with your hand. This is going to be a great cardiovascular workout along with a shoulder and tricep workout too as well. Keep those arms tight. Let's go. $20 seconds remaining. You have 10 seconds left. Keep engaging the core. Give me 4 more. 2, 1, and break. Leg raise is going to be next. This is going to work the core, it's going to work your quads, and also going to work your endurance too as well. Breathing will be key. Keep your shoulder blades off the ground if you really want to help engage the core even more. If you find this workout too hard, bring your knees into your chest. Let's go. $15 seconds left. Keep pumping through it. Give me 3 more. You have 5 seconds left. 2, 1, and break. Good job, everybody. How you feeling? Okay, we're good. Good job, Mixonite. If you made it this far in the video, the challenge has been accepted, so you have 4 more rounds. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at nathen.mixon, and if you want more exercises just like this one, make sure you click in the top right hand corner where I have all the exercises, all the workouts that you need to get that body right. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.